How are you? Science and technology. Using what will the young generation be like using the last 40 years by using science, technology, Facebook. The way you general people are getting positive in Facebook, our sales respect as dignity. You'll be lost. By 2040, you are getting confound using science, technology, Facebook. Science has missed Facebook as social media, but you are technology plus center while using this social media Facebook only to earn money or income. Using Facebook, you are shopping more time on social media than our professional life and ways when I went to earn money on Facebook. I must be forced to follow Facebook guidelines. That means I have to move the way the Facebook algorithm lets you to move in this way. You general people are becoming dismayed on social media, Facebook, without developing our knowledge at outside. In this way, you general people and the young generation are getting tapped youth our knowledge to social media, Facebook, you want to expose our feelings of beauty to Facebook. At your publication, you through social media, Facebook. And in this way, will displaying our beauty on Facebook, our self respect, dignity, and showing you'll be lost and you will be brought in social media Facebook just as we just as we mean people has to go outside for home to earn and limited to as a vague gaze met for a legitimacy you had to choose social media Facebook as a legitimate source to gain knowledge and to gain knowledge you have to be decrement on Facebook, you have to be self. Realist or guilt AI artificial interesting activate set instead way in 2040. It will be like this. No, you are running or using Facebook by year when you'll but in 2040. Facebook you'll use you by it is when you'll that means where being will not be years will being ill belong to that Facebook. In other orders, where are mine designs in not a previous you will have to move in causing to the rule of the Facebook algorithm. I hope you all have understand the master. Thank you, Dada. Says well, okay. Tata.